I am king of the queen of the mountain.
Me too!
A mountain lion! No! This stuff looks like brown sugar.
Whatever.
Ah!
Mountain lion again! Ah!
Where now?
Come on!
Whoa.
No, I'll save you! Ow!
I'm fine.
No, ow!
Ooh, this is fun exploring. You guys should really try this sometime. The next time construction workers come dig up your driveway, just like jump around in it.
Yes, do that.
Odd device. People don't normally see this in the construction site now, do they?
Stop it! You're gonna break the camera.
Calabunga! Whoa! Living up. Hey, what are you doing?
This is not fun.
Why not?
You're gonna lose your scarf. Stop! You're gonna break the camera! Ah!
Oh, we're gonna break the camera by like having it out here and filming us in a bunch of rocks, yeah.
Great.
Ugh. She's kind of a grump today. Bouncy. You look very interesting.
Oh.
Come on, my friends. Come
my
on.
dog. What is that?
Come on. Oh, my dog. I wonder what that thing's called. Is it like a crane or something? I think I read about it once. It's like a crane or a bulldozer.
Yeah, I know about that. They have that in like Littlest Pet Shop Land, but that looks bigger. I mean, what the crap?
Of course it's bigger.
Maybe
Do you think Littlest Pet Shops are gonna do construction? Sheesh.
Maybe.
Ooh, it's a stick.
Yeah. Ow! I'm okay.
You better be. Hello. Ring ring. Hello. Ring ring. Hello. Hello.
Wow, this is cool.
Ah!
Okay. Kind of. Where are we going now?
Who knows? Just a second. Ooh.
Ew! This is disgusting. No!
This is some pretty cool work equipment. Ooh.